If you've been using the Go Crypto app and wondering, can I actually withdraw real money from this thing? Then stay right here, because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what the app can and cannot do, and I'll show you how its trading simulation really works. Let's get into it. So first, let's start by opening the app. After downloading Go Crypto from your app store and logging in, you'll land on the home screen. Here you'll see your virtual balance, your free funds, and your profit indicators. At first glance, it looks very similar to a real crypto trading dashboard, which is why many users think the money is real. But here's the crucial part. And the number one question everyone asks, can you withdraw actual money from Go Crypto? The answer is no. When you tap on the virtual balance area, you'll notice there's no withdraw button anywhere. And that's because Go Crypto is not a real money trading platform. It's an educational simulation app. Everything inside it, the balance, the profits, the losses, is virtual. The app mirrors real-time market activity, but it does not handle real deposits or withdrawals. Now that we've cleared that up, let's talk about what the app is good for. Go Crypto has several core features that help you learn how real crypto trading works without risking money. Inside the trading section, you can pick from different coins like Bitcoin or Bonk. When you select any coin and tap sell, the app guides you with on-screen instructions on how an actual sale would work on real exchanges. It's a hands-on tutorial that teaches you the entire process step by step. Then there's the tournament feature, where you can participate in or watch trading tournaments. Again, all done with simulated funds. You also get a mining section where you can buy a miner and even receive a free one to practice mining concepts. And finally, the profile area is automatically created for you by Go Crypto. It acts as your personalized tutorial hub, helping you navigate features and track your progress. If you want to simulate a trade, it's super simple. Open the trading tab, choose a coin, press sell or buy, and follow the prompts. You'll immediately see your profit or loss update in real time, just like in an actual trading platform. Minus the financial risk. So, can you withdraw money from Go Crypto? No, but can you learn real-world trading mechanics for free, safely, and interactively? Absolutely. If this explanation helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear, no-nonsense app breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.